Yes, back again, back again. And this one, like I said, is going to be Nicodemus with Father Jungarak. Now, this is what I call, in the era of early B, Supercat, Nicodemus, Rankin Tie, and Yellowman, I consider those artists to be reggae dancehall artists. Not dancehall artists, but reggae dancehall artists. And why I say that is because, especially in the beginning of dancehall, they would use the reggae instrumentals that the singers would sing on, and they would just toast on them, right? And then modernize it and become dancehall, but they use reggae and it becomes, so it's intertwined, so that's why I call this era reggae dancehall, right? Which is the root. See? So this one is for the jungle rock. I in a pants and Rosie in a frack. See? Here we go. Now do no long talking.
It's called the Father Jungle Rock. Your skin white, my skin black. I in a pants and I Rosie in a frack. But C-A-T, that's a cat. Say R-A-T, that's a rat. For me say F-A-T, that's a fat. I tell you any girl with them bottom no fat. I tell you say them can't get no medals for that. Someone for this a Father Jungle Rock. Cause let me tell you this a Father Jungle Rock. Well, watch a man, me say I'm no chicken backer. Say I'm no chicken backer. Say I'm no chicken backer. Make me girl get fatter. The good Irish masher, I got the slow a supper. The second on me back and jump and respect that. Me say, Diana Blacker, she live up on the track. Pima, Diana Blacker, she live up on the track. She was a ballad, but now she turn a dreadlocks. She take off the shot, but she put on the fucker. She put on the pocket of a tear at the back. This smacker must say crack, you a crack. For this a Father Jungle Rock. For this a Father Jungle Rock. We watch a man every morning I get up, I run to Lapa. I in a truck shoes, on me short and Bobby Sasser. I'm in a done that, I go drink me Irish Russia. See I me call the girl, me say she don't want to stop her. But I give me Irish, I beg me the top. This a Father Jungle Rock. This a Father Jungle Rock. What that, do better than that. What that, do better than that. Skinny, you better run, come quick. Skinny, you better run, come quick. For some of them a muggle with the special on the nipple. You're looking at the pocket with the lights to fit it. A boy enjoy your chicken and go fit for sitter. For what we are gonna give them is a sweet music. Skinny, you better run, come quick. Jaman in the Father Jungle Rock. In the Father Jungle Rock. Go let me tell you, me say Diana Blacker, she live up on the track. Beam, Diana Blacker, she live up on the track. She was a ballad, but now she turn a dreadlocks. She take off the short and she put on the packer. She put on the pocket of a tear and the backer. Say every time me chat, I say I
want you to rock her.
For me in a pants
and a Rosie in a fracker.
When I play my shaka taka, say I want you to rock. Say the sweet is water.
It's jelly coconut.
Let me tell you, Nicodemus, say it's sweeter than that. Say me go a big go figure by a fair hat. Me say the bad boy, him does a fire clear shot. Me say this him no know, I say me father is a cop. Him a end up down a
rough cat.
So let me tell you about me father
Jungle Rock.
For me say with a big fish and me say with a hip for scratch. You put in a the pot man, make we cook up that in a Father Jungle Rock.
Baseline for the waistline.
So let me tell you, Miss Maka Musica, you a girl. When every time me chat, me say me
Nicodemus with Father Jungle Rock. Yeah, man. Trust me, reggae month coming up. We're going with our vibes, But yes, that was Father Jungle Rock. So keep it locked to Solid Rock Entertainment family. And thank you for tuning in and, being dedicated. Those of you who come through and dedicate and listen to this and come through with these vibes, to listen to these vibes, thank you so much. Respect, honor, and manners. Seeing? Wave the flag like a banner. Seeing? Yes. So, tuning out. Keep everything solid until next time. Solid Rock Entertainment on the Solid Foundation corner. Enough respect in all aspect. Dread out.